Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 2019 Grady-White 235 Freedom. This is a white boat with a 300 Yamaha horsepower motor on the back. Metalwork is powder coated white to match. Let's take some covers off and go take a walk through this boat. Enter the 235 Freedom. You'll see there is a walk-through transom door, storage for a second beach anchor. This boat has a live well, does have the pop-up ski tow, a fish box, a second storage area on the other side of the swim platform. This particular boat does have the fold-up seat in the back. We have equipped it with the lounge, which slides, the upgraded helm chair. This boat does not yet have electronics, but it does have the new style Yamaha gauge, a fusion stereo, a tilt wheel, trim tabs, compass. This boat does have a windshield wiper. The cushions are in storage. There are full cushions forward with storage, speakers forward. Storage under the console. There is a head with a porta potty with storage for the cushions. Cup holders, pop-up cleats, handrail inside. It's a very spacious 23-foot boat. This is a 2019 23-foot Grady-White. Thank you.